Myotonic dystrophy seems to be a disease that you can't even define. It varies so much from person to person, from infant, child, adult, depending when in life you start to show signs of the disease.
Myotonic dystrophy is the most common adult form of muscular dystrophy, but it also affects young children, it affects people at any age. And it's an interesting disease because it's an RNA disease. So it's caused by a toxic RNA disease. Unfortunately, myotonic dystrophy affects almost all parts of the body. Daytime sleepiness, they have a hard time holding down jobs.
Joey has a lot of muscle wasting. He's getting weaker now as he's getting older. The apathy of personality, sleeping but never really feeling refreshed.
Things that I've noticed that myotonic dystrophy has taken from me is it's given me atrophy of my muscles. I can't walk, I can't open jars, and my diction has gotten worse.
What we do at the RNA Institute to study myotonic dystrophy is we use cells donated by patients with myotonic dystrophy to understand what's happening at the molecular level. And then what's really powerful is we can use those cell models to look at potential therapeutics. Tonight we're here with the Muscular Dystrophy Association, who leads the world in research and treatments for people with muscular dystrophy. And it's really their work that's put this event together.
Without funds, we can't do anything. You know, that's a fact. It's a fact of life. Whenever you go through a trauma in life, or you meet something bigger than you ever thought in your life, you go through phases. And then you reach a point where you say to yourself, what are we going to do? We're not the type to just sit back and not do anything, because we don't believe that. I think what I heard since 2010, so far we've raised about $1.7 million. So it's enough to get started, it's enough to move forward.
It's a personal event for me because of the Genzanos and Joey. There's so many events out there, you know, but this one is really hits home. And it's not just Joey, it's having our game. You know, we'll have 40 kids here working with the kids. And when you see the kids interacting, it's amazing. To be part of it is something special, and I hope more people will get involved.
The money we're raising tonight is going to go to the New York Myotonic Dystrophy Center, the first of its kind in the country. So your funding is going to support the next generation of researchers that are going to push forward the treatments for myotonic dystrophy and other muscular dystrophies. Your funding is also going to help us develop the therapeutics that are going to make a difference in Joey and others' lives. It's going to help us collaborate with the University of Rochester and push forward this research.
We believe that ultimately myotonic dystrophy will be one of the most treatable genetic conditions, and that early treatment can prevent the symptoms from starting.
What makes our research special are the personal connections to families like the Genzanos and others.
That's our destiny. You know, we have the energy.
It's encouraging.
Yeah, it gives us a new life, a new advocacy for something that it's not in the distance anymore. You know, it's there. It's right in our backyard now. So there's no excuse anymore.